So in the last video, you saw how I used the template to answer one of the summarized written text questions. In this video, the purpose is to show you that you can use the same template no matter how many questions you get in the exam. And for your information, you get maximum 3 questions and help you in understanding the principles of using the template in the right way. So the first thing you do is, even before you start reading the passage, you start typing the template. So that's what I'm going to do now. Now this is the template which we are going to use, and you have already seen this template before as well. So the simple thing that I'm going to do now is I'll go to the first paragraph, read this paragraph quickly and try to get one sentence that I think represents or best represents the main idea of that particular paragraph, and I'm taking this sentence here. Now in the exam you'll not be able to copy and paste as I'm doing here, but just for the sake of demonstration I'm simply copying and pasting because it saves me some time. And plants serve as the conduit of energy into the biosphere, provide food and materials used by humans, and they shape our environment. After that, along with mentioning that, and I will take another sentence, and I think this is the important sentence, so I'm taking this one from here and I'll add it here. And the last one I'm getting from the last paragraph, and this time I'm taking the second sentence. Alright, so everything is done now. The whole template has been filled with information taken from the passage. As I said, now depending on your score target, you may need to paraphrase this, and I'll show you how we can paraphrase it properly. In order to do that, let's first start by reading from here, by explaining that plants serve as the conduit of energy into the biosphere, provide food and materials used by humans, and they shape our environment. So for this, I'll just do this. Plants serve as the plants act as the source of energy and food, as well as they shape our environment, along with mentioning that all of our food is produced by plants, either directly or indirectly via animals that eat them. And this part I'll write alone. So you have already seen how easy it is to answer summarize written text questions when you know the concept. The only thing you need to do is you first write the template. Once you have completed the template, then you go to the paragraph and start getting information from the paragraphs. From each paragraph you get one information which you usually find in the first sentence. As you could see, I was getting most of my information from the first sentence. Sometimes it can be in the second sentence and sometimes it can be elsewhere as well. Whatever is the case, just get the information from there, and then depending on your score target you may need to paraphrase the sentence by replacing some of the words or by rewriting some parts of the sentence. Once you have done all of these things, you definitely need to identify the topic of this paragraph. And in this case, so how did I know this is the topic? Because I can see that in every paragraph this is what they are discussing. They're discussing plants, and because I can understand what they're saying in each of these paragraphs, I can say that they are discussing the importance of plants for humans. And this is how you write your answer. Always make sure that you check this word limit here so that you are not writing above the limit, and your upper limit is 75. If you write more than that, you lose marks for writing extra words. And that's it for now. Start practicing the questions, and once you finish this, start learning your essay writing as well.